Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Starbucks going 5 miles. Thank you.
Good day.
You too. Total for that order was $7. Next order up is a Taco Bell. This one is $9 going just about 6 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
There you go.
Thank you.
There you go.
That was almost a 15-minute wait at the drive-thru. And of course I have to meet them at the door. Like, why, bro? Just go to sleep. So with Meet at Doors on Uber, they usually have a separate icon, so it's more accurate as to where they are rather than just a pin on the map somewhere. But on that one, it was showing that they were like down the street. So I didn't know if they were going on a morning run or something. This next order is a different Taco Bell. Got a feeling this order is gonna be trash. Just a hunch. This one's going 7 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your name or a 4-digit code to earn reward points today?
Good morning.
Morning.
How have you been?
Not too bad, you?
Good. There's that baby there.
Thank you.
We'll see you. Have a good morning.
You too.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yep.
I appreciate you.
You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Ooh, yeah, that was terrible. No tip on that, of course. Total for that was just under $6. Next up is a Starbucks. This one's going 2.5 miles. Thank you. I know exactly where this one's going, and it is a no tip. Yeah, no tip on that one. Total for that was like $3. Got this order pretty much right away. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $22 going 9 miles, 9 items, I think.
And you wait right here?
I don't know actually. I'm looking for Brussels sprouts. Do you know where those are?
Right here.
Oh,
Yeah, I was in the way.
thank you. Easy enough. Give me more of those orders. Also, fun fact about me, that is the very first time that I've seen a Brussels sprout in person. Like, I knew what they were, but I've just never been around them. Next up is a Burger King. This is going about 5 miles.
Thank you for choosing Burger King. Where you rule? How can I help you?
I got about 3 minutes on fries. If you pull up to my front doors, I'll bring out your order when it's ready.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was $8 and change. Next up is a Don Taco. This one is going 8.5 miles.
Okay, you have to give me like 10 more minutes, okay? No rush.
Thank you. At least she didn't lie. That was actually about a 10-minute wait. There you are. Yep. Have a good day. Total for that order was $13. Not amazing. It kind of took forever, to be honest. Well, they just tried to give me 4 orders in a row that are going at least 12 miles. So there goes my dash for the day. Well, on earn by time at least. Okay, that is 8 in a row. Like, what is so difficult about giving me an order that keeps me inside of my zone? Is that such a crazy concept? I don't know. This is a Burger King, $6 and change, going 3.5 miles. Got a shop and deliver for PetSmart. I think it's 2 orders actually. $20, going 9 miles, 5 items.
If you see the reptiles and you go down the right,
Yeah.
it should be down there to the left.
Okay, gotcha.
That or one over. Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I think the other thing was at the register. She told me. Thank you though.
Of course.
All right, time to head home. Current time is 9:56. Total ended up with 96. Ooh, so close to 100. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.